How to unhide apps on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unhide apps on iPhone. So this is strictly for iOS 18 plus users. So yeah. So first, if you want to hide an app in your iPhone after the iOS update to 18, what you'll need to do is you'll need to long press on an app, tap on require face ID, and tap on hide and require face ID. After you do that, your app will get hidden. So if you want to unhide this app now, you'll need to swipe all the way to the left, and on the app library, scroll down till you find the hidden folder. As you can see, if you tap on the hidden folder, it will need your access of your face. So go to your face ID and it should show you your hidden apps. So after it shows you your hidden apps, long press on the app and tap on don't require face ID. After it verifies you by your face ID, you should be good to go and your app is now unhidden. As you can see, there is no more hidden apps, and if I go back here, I should be able to see the app. So it should be somewhere around here. And yeah, that's basically how you unhide apps on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.